Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sander belts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the POWERTEC 4iX24 sanding belts 30 pk. The POWERTEC sanding belts are designed for various belt sanding machines, making them a reliable choice for your sanding needs. With their heavy-duty construction, these belts efficiently strip and sand materials like wood, aluminum, and plastic. You'll appreciate the premium quality of the aluminum oxide grain, which ensures durability and long-lasting use. Additionally, the belts feature a heat and moisture-resistant design that prevents breakage during tough jobs. With a range of grits available, you can easily tackle different sanding tasks with confidence. Moving on, at number 4, we have the POWERTEC 12X 18-inch sanding belts. The POWERTEC sanding belts come in a 50-pack, featuring an assortment of grits ranging from 40 to 240. This variety allows you to tackle different surfaces, whether wood, metal, or plastic, providing flexibility for your projects. Made with high-quality aluminum oxide, these belts are designed for durability and resist clogging, ensuring a longer lifespan and efficient sanding. The butt tape joint design enables dual-direction sanding, offering greater versatility in usage. This makes the sanding belts an excellent choice for both detailed work and general sanding tasks. At number 3, we have the Excellence Sanding Belt Pack 4-inch x 24-inch. The Excellence Sanding Belt Pack includes 12 pieces of 4 24-inch sander belts made with premium aluminum oxide grain. The diagonal lap splice technology ensures a firm belt interface that won't break easily. It's suitable for sanding wood, aluminum, non-ferrous metal, glass, plastic, and stone. The belts are anti-static, washable, and have an additive in the resin to resist loading. The 12-piece assortment includes 4, each of 80, 120, and 150 grits. At number 2, we have the SATC sanding belts for wood metal paint sanding. The SATC 3x18 sanding belts come in a set of 20 with various grits indicated on the cloth backing. They are crafted with selected premium open-coat aluminum oxide grain, anti-static, anti-clogging, and have a strong connection at the seam to minimize bulges at the joints for a smoother experience. These sanding belts work perfectly with an assortment of belt sanding machines and applications, offering a heavy-duty stripping and sanding tool for wood, aluminum, fiberglass, rubber, plastic, and non-ferrous metals. The Grit Selection Guide provides guidance for different materials, from heavy sanding and stripping to delivering a superfine smooth finish. And finally, at number 1, we have the SATC 24-pack silicon carbide sanding belts. The SATC sanding belt set is a versatile collection that caters to all your sanding needs. With a variety of grits ranging from 120 to 1,000, you can tackle different surfaces with ease. These belts can be used wet or dry, offering you flexibility whether you're in a damp environment or a dry workspace. The belts are designed with precision technology, ensuring a secure fit and smooth performance, which helps you achieve professional results. Plus, their durable construction means they will last longer, saving you both time and money on replacements. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.